This house has just one story, but it doesn't really end at ground level. Where we'd normally find nothing but a roof, there's another place to hang out. The roof works as a terrace, a sun deck, and a lookout toward the Arrábida mountains. This is Casa HD, designed by Desvão Atelier between Sesimbra and Azul, Portugal. The house stays low and horizontal, with everyday life happening entirely on one level. The site had a slight change in elevation. Instead of flattening everything out, the architects used it and raised the house about 3 feet above the street. The sides facing the street and the neighboring homes are more closed off. The larger openings face inward instead, toward the garden and the pool. Inside the living room, one thing breaks up all those horizontal lines: the fireplace. It's large, almost oversized for what it needs to do. Its chimney rises through the roof and stays visible from the upper terrace. The floor plan is L-shaped. The bedrooms and more private spaces are on one side. The living room, kitchen, and dining area are on the other. Between them, a courtyard becomes part of the path through the house. The living room, kitchen, and dining area all open toward this outdoor space. The roof extends beyond the walls, creating shade and protecting the large glass openings. Long and narrow, the pool runs along the length of the property and pulls our eyes toward the vegetation at the far end of the site. The materials also bring in a few references to traditional Portuguese country homes without trying to recreate an old house. We see oak and kambala wood, Lioz and Azul Cadoiço stone, and handmade terracotta tile. Wood covers much of the interior, while the terracotta tile appears around the entrance and in the outdoor areas. They're traditional materials used in a clearly contemporary house. The geometry stays simple, but the surfaces are never completely smooth or uniform. And then we find the stairs going up, not to another bedroom, not to a second living room, to the roof. Up there, the roof becomes one large open surface. Down below, we mostly see the courtyard, the pool, and the garden. From above, the view opens up, and the Arrábida mountains come into sight. Casa HD keeps all of everyday life on a single level, but it turns what would normally be the end of the house into another place to spend time, a second ground plane, right on top of the roof.